Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm kind of tired. I planned on filming me using this new air fryer again. And then I was kind of tired and I started just air fry and not film. I said, let me get the camera. So I have some leftover chicken wings that I didn't cook yesterday. They're already been seasoned, washed, seasoned, cut, and they've been marinating in the refrigerator overnight. So I'm going to braid these. And I'll be using this new braiding I got from Amazon. I believe Booger 500 had reviewed this first. And this is spicy. So it's called Crispy Fry. And it's by Ajinomoto. It sounds Japanese. That's what the pack looks like. So I put 2 packs in my breader shaker bowl. And this stuff got me sneezing. So it's in 2 packs in here. And I'll be using my CruXGG Trizone air fryer. And let me lower this so I can show y'all. This is what I'll be using. CruXGG. This is a 9-quart air fryer. That's where it looks inside. And I think I want to take this out. Take this divider out and just use the whole basket. And I'm not putting any foil under these crisper. This is a crisper tray. Before I put foil under it, and all I had to do for cleanup was just wash these, of course, and then wipe the bottom out with a paper towel. So, and wash this divider thing. So, okay. So I'm gonna put a few wings in here at a time. I'm gonna cook all these wings. Put the lid on the shaker bowl. Make sure you hold it. I'm gonna put the link for this in my description box. Of course, you can use a Ziploc bag, brown paper sack, anything. So nicely this breads. I don't need to take this out. Okay, I'm going to shake out the excess. I'm going to spray I'm not sure if I have to, but I'm going to spray the basket. Then put my chicken in here. I'm using both sides just because. I'm gonna put the drumettes on one side and the flats on the other. Just because. Move this. I don't want it to slide off. The rest of these in here. Ooh. The stuff sifts. It's the red pepper, yeah. Dump this. I just took 2 packages. There's how much is left. I'll spray. Is this on? Yes. Okay, this is how it looks inside. 2, 4, 6, 7, 16 pieces of chicken. And yesterday I put 12 pieces in one side. And I have the air fryer sitting on something called a glider mat. So when I need to move it, I pull this, the mat, so I can glide away from the wall and don't have the hot air from the back of this going right into your outlet. See, my outlet is there, so I got this kind of offset. I wouldn't put it like this, so it's kind of offset, so it's not blowing directly into it. Okay. Turn it on. I want the dual mode. So the left side is flashing, so I want it to air fry. I think I'm going to bump this temp up to 450. Because last time it took 30 minutes for some wings. I never air fried any wings at 450 before. Okay. Now I want to go to the right side. Air fry. 450. That's 445. Well, 445 is good. 20 minutes. Okay. Start. Uh-oh. Okay, what I got to do? That's what I did. I expect some crispy, breaded wings, and I don't want to have to flip them. That's what I'm used to. So we're going to see together. And some of y'all going to ask me what I sprayed. I got olive oil in this Evo oil sprayer. Got flour all over it. Okay? But you can use avocado oil, grapeseed oil, canola oil, oil of your choice. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, my chicken is done. It took 30 minutes again, even at 445. Okay. I'm going to put it on the platter. Where's the... Oh, I got the platter. I'm looking for the platter on the counter and I'm holding it. That's how it looks on the other side. 30 minutes. I've never cooked them over 22 minutes, y'all. They're crispy on both sides. I didn't flip them at all. Okay. Look at the flats. Look at the flats look on the other side. I was on the Best Buy website and they have the Bella Trizone air fryer for $89. It's marked down from $189. Okay. Put this back in here until it cools off, then I'll clean it. Always unplug it. Try to move this. Best to move the mat. Chicken looks good. Crispy. Let me get a thumbnail before I do anything. Okay, this is my delicious golden brown, crispy breaded chicken cooked in the CruXGG Trizone air fryer, like that. Look at the chicken, y'all. Looks like my other chicken cooked in my other air fryers. This just takes longer for some reason. Okay. Now we're going to taste it. Okay. Took my wig off. Put on my caftan. I'm getting comfortable. Okay, here's a piece of the flat. And it's crispy. Nice, crispy. The breading is delicious. It's spicy. I won't be putting no hot sauce on this. It's spicy, but it's a flavorful spicy. Some things are just hot, just to be hot. But this is hot and spicy and flavorful. I can just nibble all the skin off of here. It's so good. It's really crispy. Cooked it at 445 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. I saw that the 20 wasn't going to do. I cut it off at the 30-minute mark. Look at the color. Let's see. Nibbling the skin. Oh my goodness. So, thank you for watching. I'm still saying I'm giving this new air fryer 2 thumbs up. It's only my second time using it, and I like it. It's kind of early to say, but so far so good. I like it. I don't know why it takes longer. Maybe because it's larger inside. That's okay. 30 minutes. Next time I'll bump it up to 450 and see. But of course I'm going to watch it. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. It's 7:09 p.m. on Wednesday. So I have to go get a mammogram early tomorrow morning. So I'll go take care of that. Might bring y'all with me. Bye, y'all. Let me eat this chicken while it's hot. And I was going to have a good salad with it. I went to get the bag of salad out. The salad leaves are frozen. In the refrigerator, they're frozen. So I was kind of bummed. Because I like a good salad. Okay, but just chicken would do. Bye, y'all. Be blessed. Bon appetit.